glimmer on the horizon. It is not all despair, though. There is a glimmer on the horizon. The constitutional review process presents us with a golden opportunity to change the narrative and to get things effectively and efficiently working. We should transform the Constitution by weaving anti-corruption concepts and institutions tightly into its outlook and reach. And I am so glad that the chairman of the Constitution Review Commission is my reviewer. Professor, this is directly to you and your team. And right thereupon, after doing that, we should build on that framework a robust and pragmatic wave of statutory detail to give firm effect to the constitutional provisions to render corrupt activities high risk and ultra costly and unattractive enterprises. To do this, 4 truisms must guide this exercise. First, it must be borne in mind that the law always appears to be a step behind criminal innovation. And as technological advancement ushers in marvels hitherto unknown, perpetrators of corruption devise sophisticated ways adapted to avoid detection. Second, it should occur to everyone here that truth is always the first casualty in any criminal inquiry. Those who engage in grand corruption are wealthy. They possess the means and the wherewithal to mount formidable campaigns of misinformation and truth distortion. They also pose a real and present danger to anti-corruption officials through intimidation, open threats, and actual harm, even to the point of killing. Third, corrupt activities are the most difficult to prove, as they are carried out in stealth, and the state of mind accompanying such acts are often unclear. Fourth, corruption prevention is preferable to after-the-fact models of fighting corruption. This is because it is more productive and cost-effective. Better to prevent the outbreak of a stitch than to seek to sow it after it ensues. Upon this foundation, we must situate the fight against corruption in a comprehensive philosophical context. The lecturer in me is coming out. By this, I mean that we should examine the regime from an introspective reflection. Are we doing this because we believe it is the right thing to do? And will it produce the best results or consequences? On this score, we have to conceptualize anti-corruption legal concepts in a fundamental manner. That is, a review of the historical, philosophical, linguistic, economic, social, and political implications of law. Only then will the anti-corruption quest have real meaning as being firmly secured.
Kisia Jabin, and same program. And our Fenyomakin, so a minority leader, Kasaho. Or say, if politicians are given unchecked power, they may deplete state resources, urging civil society to hold the political class accountable. I
believe that we can act collective and be very fair to the issues. In my constituency, when a chief visits me, the chief is not interested in my salary. He expects that as he's come, he must not go empty-handed. A constituent visits me, a pastor visits me, he expects that I should do something. So perhaps the demands of the office may cause a politician to be finding out how to survive or how to look for resources to meet a certain purpose. As part of our culture, don't we make ourselves vulnerable for what we say corruption? because our cultural lifestyle, how we relate to ourselves in itself, makes the leader very vulnerable. And in so saying, the leader then would have to find a way of meeting that expectation. And in the process, if you don't have it on your own, or in your quest to make somebody happy, you end up acting wrongly. And that is a fact. I therefore encourage discussions by civil society, all aimed at cracking the whip on the political class.
Okay, that's a final marking for you. And then they were supposed to go for training in the Volta region at Sereni Volta Hotel. And they said they will not be part of it. Their reason is what? One will say the choice of the venue alone is political. A bill, a car, or more body orientation, and so the minority are boycott. How? Babin si way and Pastor Ben also. The Amazon kind is unacceptable. Abam Babin.
I only saw a WhatsApp message last night that our colleagues, our brothers and sisters of the New Patriotic Party have opted out, giving a reason that is completely unacceptable. There is good reason why we choose venues for this. It's not partisan. There's always a search party, and they go around, discuss with the various hospitalities, look at the cost components, the facilities, their suitability, the convenience of your movement, because there are other pressures on you and of the world. So it's usually a large number of people.
And here I'm about so some of the two jano. Omannhene John Bahama, Ananu Fiada, the Tuja, Kate sought for the Hajj village. And no one some controversy, baby, say, Adea Akye Abia, was like a cat sought near. Sergio Medina saying or the Tuja said, I feel 5,000 pilgrims will be airlifted to the Holy Land. Now, accommodation, transport, any other facilities, no, or maybe, and until we know 5,000 no being airlifted, no, accommodation, transport facility, no, a bimu will say, a buying the 9 individuals, nature, a buying sika 9 individuals, will find out, yet tell the Omannhene Yaw Mama Kai.
After we pay off the millions of dollars of debts that have accumulated in Saudi Arabia from earlier Hajj operations. This year, we intend to airlift exactly 5,000 pilgrims to the Holy Land. And the task force has announced 13th March as the deadline for payment.
Okay, so it's not...
We have facilitated
individuals.
We have facilitated a pre-finance arrangement with one of the local banks. And so I'm pleased as I speak to you to announce that all deposits for accommodation, transport, and other facilities have been paid. I've instructed the Hajj task force that they should cut off at exactly 5,000 and not go beyond 5,000.
Okay, so His Excellency, Oni Asofo Sushiai, Eda Nyamiasi, na Enran so Kumasi so enya womo de Kumasi Asofo. Na nkran no na Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams na ye kasamafo a ogina asofo anim kan nyame asem kan bibia. Na Eldi kan will say or catch Omannhene Yaw Mama say don't pay evil for evil. Don't use the victory and glory of this president to settle scores. Yentie de tia or cancer.
That most time there's a tendency of forgetting from whence you have come from. And one of the leaders of Africa that have so inspired me irrespective of what your personal view may be of him, you're entitled to, is President Madiba Mandela. Mandela said, as I stand at this door to my freedom, I realize that if I don't leave behind my bitterness, the offenses and the injustice done to me by apartheid for these 27 years in prison, I will walk through the door to freedom and still be in prison. And therefore, I must leave behind my hurt, my pain and offenses.
Okay, now, also can say, Osro Penny John Dramani Mahama say, the presidency no any on kwa. It's say there was a president, not all 8. Now 8 was so powerful to the point say President ne kasakra 8 to me kosasano. Eti nimpa ebon say obehwe so Mampani John Dramani Mahama will be the only president, but there will not be vice presidents and vice 8 near there. Womo etumi enti Archbishop Nicholas Dankavulia.
It is only by grace today that you stand where you stand. I remember some years ago there was a president in this country, Mr. President, and I won't want to mention the name, but Mr. President knows some of these things. He had a man around him that was so powerful and had his ear. He had lunch and dinner with him almost every day. And he was so powerful that he wrote letters in the name of the president as he pleased to fire people and made it difficult for the president to govern. It was like you had 2 presidents. And one day I called the president and he picked up the phone of the president. And I said, Mr. President, he said, this is not Mr. President. He mentioned his name and he said, what is it? I said, I need to speak to him. He said, he's very busy. He can't talk to you now. I'll tell him to call you. Mr. President never called me, so I stopped worrying myself. I said, if he doesn't call, I won't bother myself. So I left it alone. And he was so powerful that when the president take decision, he will go see the president and change it. To the point that people stop seeing the president and they go to him because they realize that whatever decision the president take, this individual could change it. So it's better to see him and let him prevail on the president. I pray that, Mr. President, in your term as president, that there will be only one president and it will be you.
Transformers and equipment as say Netco Tamale Omo ena omo sha to say electricity company of Ghana South no Netco for etimoya TV no so job bu ena dere ya to say asset transformers are enya agro kra we num nyina no Ghana boka papa nyasem ketwa yemra Kumasi nra the clergy met with His Excellency the President. Na ne enyasem ketwa kra ewo KNUST, a great hall. Yamcha some of the footages are Omannhene Yaw na so for penny for us Asante Mantem ha Reverend Douglas Okuno Frimpong CCC so for penny Bishop Osei family chapel nomne asofo mpanimfo na hodo na Omannhene John Mahama de na se emai etino
Local economy. There are several projects that commenced under my previous administration and stalled under the recently outgone administration. I've assured Otufo that we'll complete the Sewa Hospital this year. The completion would allow us to decongest Komfo-Anokye Teaching Hospital so that important rehabilitation works can continue there. I've spoken to the managers of Eurojet, the Invest, who are the contractors, and they have assured me that they will resume work in earnest at their Paramilitary Hospital and ensure the speedy completion of that facility. Other projects such as the Swami Interchange and other road works were commenced without dedicated funding. But we have to look for sources of funding, and we're looking for sources of funding to speed up the work on these projects so that we can ease the congestion and inconvenience that the residents of Kumasi face.
Okay. Enti Omannhene so ebe share bo. Na what they are tuja say obi bia owo asafo say asofo mpanimfo so omo de omo ho bewura agri business mu na cha say we no Elizabeth Ofusu ajare aso ye obehwe say obe support no onsa sorry no bu on me ane mu koye afuo ana omo ko bie factory bi na omo ebe produce enwo ne anwanom ne those agricultural business anase bi kra on beton agric ho ne ma bi ebe ma akuafo nom so so aye dey ho an ha wo mo beboa ya mo akwaba asante so akwaba mami tie mo nsam pi ne de gu ho de na opese wo ka ho asem
awda nsam ne de wabobo bi so na
e do so pa ya ye gatekeeping up to ho mumrem
Parliament ni omo training omo minority ni se omo enkoi me tiase a enye yi me tiase a enye yi minority ni se one the choice of venue
Serene Volta Hotel no Serene Hotel no Volta no too political
political why na any dia
but enu dey minim but minim say Volta no moko
oh but akotaka Volta no so ne boni ewom ye the parliament ebe ye adwuma Tuesday
yes
yankopon ene Monday omo nya adwuma but there are other activities bi a ewo Accra na ebia members of parliament ni binom ebaba back to Accra about be take part ebia se who choose a venue and answer be bia kwa training bi for MPs ya also consider movement and proximity so because most of these MPs are ministers me hu Haruna Idrisu ho me hu Honorable Muntaka ho nom me hu Ahmed Ibrahim MPs ni be bro me ministers
Sunday omufri or Sunday or no
Oba Kumasi
Omannhene chieftaincy and religious
yes
local government
yes and no me hu said na owo Kumasi whether na trading na wie anaso omunwie quickly no so rush eba back to Kumasi enti say who choose voter region no akwa trading no ho no de ama MPs a na what they ba betoto e bia we moving from voter region to Accra
whether it's voter region whether it's eastern region whether it's what the issue is your MPs are new Bebre, they are flopping and they are making mistakes in parliament. Standing orders no bebre wunso for both the NDC 186 or so no.
Yeah.
Bebre obo ntumi kasa so show many obo sorry krana or kasa ne mic no onim se also there are so many things so be oriented cause yes the rudiments of parliament or say more politicizing into Yemba. What information are not on Premo War? Any of Afenyo Market
one area or more kaya menu or more the cost involved. Say yes, you may ye nisika. Na me the sabi a year womb such and change or see a movie a training for MPs at the court outside Accra. Parliament had the face in the parliament dynasty one more conference rooms baby or honomo into Omaya or nisika. Omaya kapre na motumano cap Omaya yeja $64,000 we said then there to sinking fund muno should not be thinking say was the same piece akwa minya sure say the hotel na ye ka wan say small hotel ketu bia o and 276 members of parliament and I was sa including staff ni be of parliamentary and the clerks near the day. Well, yeah, keka 400 ni pada do omo ekogu hotel ba ko no.
They went there Friday.
Omo didie, omo numu, omo bibia, omo return Sunday anwumre. Ntimi de e bia minority ni kan ya me no omo ya adwene the cost involved.
Baba the search team did the cost analysis and they realized the Serene Hotel was at a low cost.
E be bia no no ma na enye no cost so mbe no parliament the conference room of parliament.
You could have done that without
going to one Serene dia hotel on one Adea Akye Abia Serene hotel no dey che omo na but parliament conference room kia de becha mo the only thing am over here na say bia edru awia you go for lunch and also within parliament on am cafeteria near de wo ho no mo a akota de ni bi wo ho no mo yes edu a e too political a minority no kwan omo fa so a omo handle ne majority no so kwan omo fa so but say no crest omo ye ni sika akota oko voter region say Serene hotel ne de ne hwan na mo ye cost analysis ne cost benefit ne ade me ne speak anya adwene but e bia minority no could have ebia no ma fa nice way bia omo ebe bo parliament amane say ne speaker ka say bi ohun ya ne say WhatsApp message the night before but at least ebia ka mo so minority mo ba twi speaker adwena ba so man yesi eni sika ade na mo me anya no parliament ya and akonta the microphones no mo use no parliament o ade mo tutu no de call Serene hotel eti se bia nka mo ye no parliament o anka no kra beboa e bia honorable menshia south mp na je bafu awua se wo sori akasa e san se wo wa no e bia adjust your microphone like this na bia ye ni sei se wo yes ade na ma no parliament o mo a eno no be ye efficient ye practical be efficient more than so de mi kosi Serene hotel ya one microphone ne gadget ne ade o no
ekoye theory
theory afi na me ba be hu the reality of ade no house on
point na je ba for wu anso so nyame anim ni minim se standing orders no wa bini baba because nyame anim
yes
I doff my heart
yes
he is one of the new MPs
yes
sorry jina ho no ma
yes
even the majority no listen to him.
Yes.
Within a space of about just 2 months.
Yes.
He's endeared himself understanding
orders of the house.
Now, Obe to the kind Bakubi Amiti no now say one of the members Akye
MP yes.
A court of competent jurisdiction.
Register
Abe speaker. Yen servo no etiro no adentina obi say majority leader say a person like Ayariga Omannhene Kasa and go to omo standing orders and obi say speaker Mr. Speaker
have you been served
oh my goodness
iti akota yemo na je bafu awu abaso time it's as said you wasi parliament adwumai ne parliament say parliament mrano memiemo na baso po ne nuanom younger ones ne bia quickly as omo are getting used to the activities of the house ne ehon standing orders ne ehon enhyehyɛ ne na confidence a omo e de ka omo nsɛm no so no ɛya na ebi said akota omo dɔso omo dɔso
Collins Adamako Chichikobo. Honorable Collins Adamako, good morning. Honorable Collins Adamako, good morning. Honorable, good morning. Oops. Honorable Otemenka.
Good morning.
Good. Now I'm to say.
Oh, nyame adom me hu pa.
Na Ghana for him and him some orientation. Ewo Serene hotel voter. Yes, I must say a very political and two. On my end is cardiac. Mojino man who to moon conco says Sikano. Baby say it's unacceptable. Your speaker because reasons now more assigned. There's a research team, a search team. they check the cost component and everything. Ba na mo pese mbeba. Who ya no say?
Omina be ma me dase me chia wotifo wahwefo nyina me gidi say obi ahoye. Na when say in parliament no speaker no is an embodiment or almost signify the strength of parliament to me one only a leader and you know on one kasemu timika and rightly so say on number 3 gentlemen parliament as an institution is one arm of government and you know say nothing be ba now also a member of parliament na o kan ya na le kan e din kakra but we the message speaker say ne ba ne me ne bucket to akra ne me but message say na dey me no me disagree on some of the issues our can.
Okay.
First of all, orientation and new is very normal. We call parliament first 4 years now you call orientation. Normally no there are 2 main events. You read the budget we are a post budget conference. The experts back and church and budget nimu said the yes you buy your constituencies ye binya and ye be at their moment understanding be their moment.
Okay.
And then there's the orientation. Normally no once in a year. Especially new parliamentarians abano I take the opportunity to explain parliamentary practice, parliamentary process Emma Ubia etiase. And so yeah, a good opportunity for us to mingle and once you share because they are more the experts about church and Yoma. Now unfortunately Sap Asemia Babri Ake didn't say and then big disagree kakrano. He was the first person to introduce the issue of costs. And then 2 years ago, and near majority, then the decision was taken. So that decision is taken, and then as someone can say, search team call rounds. That was what happened. The same search team and the call rounds, and they could identify say Rock City. Now, Accra, now we call Rock City, which is the eastern region. It takes you 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's true.
That's what you knew. 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah.
From Accra to Volta Serene, 3 hours or 3 hours. Now, he's talking about costs. Now, because I don't want to expose a lot of things on air. But I can tell you, say, the distance from Accra to Rock City and the distance from Accra to Volta Serene, and the cost implications of both Rock City and Volta Serene, the difference is so clear. You will be in the difference. Now, Rock City, no, you name him, penny Brian the champion and the owner. Speak about them by Parliament on the floor of Parliament. Abra, you take a decision, say you call Rock City, and you prepare your corner. Babbling on the floor of Parliament, and this is recorded in the Hansard, or see the air connect is insensitive. In fact, Ghana, we are broke. You call IMF. Over the by Imisika. No books now, oh, shame, that was 2 years ago. No. And him, Yakwasi, BC, Cassia, the Trake Mwako Hotel, Bakoye training. His suggestion was that you training no our Parliament. And the Parliament issue, you may be our Parliament. Meaning, on the basis of this statement from Speaker Babe, Yanko Rock City, it was cancelled 2 years ago. Now, just last week, Yemi opinion John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, about Parliament. His description is a Ghana a crime scene. But okay.
Yeah.
Osi Akufo-Addo has managed the economy with a criminal mindset. And that on the old discover asset now, the economy is on its belly, flat. In fact, it's John Dramani Mahama, the catcher is a sinking fund. A fund be one of the funds I did try yeka also on oja $250 million. Yeah, $67,000.
That's right.
So what he's telling us, I said the country is broke. No problem. And then a true state of the nation. Near church remove your position on those matters. And me coffee on that. You see then Mr. Mahama Bekache say we are broke. Now speak at me catch said 2 years ago we were broke. Now a day after Mr. Mahama His Excellency Akache say you broke no. Speaker also in voter serene, which is a 3-hour drive from Accra, near Kota Hotel, near orientation for 3 days. It was on the basis of this, and he reminded the speaker as a speaker, you can't eat your cake and have it. On the basis of principle, saying to me Rock City, because 2 years ago, Ghana in Iska, he broke. Now in 2025, President name was the country say he broke. Now, I feel the opposite voters in India, then you are not being principled on your stance. If the principle is say Ghana in Iska, into members of parliament, enter parliament, any conference, and I need orientation. If it was good 2 years ago, it cannot be wrong 2 years after. And so our principal point was that yenye orientation was Accra. Yenye parliament said the Speaker Babin suggested 2 years ago. Now Mr. Mahama Accra suggested say 2 years ago they better Accra because utie in speech November in the State of the Nation. He virtually said say Ghana say that was what he said. It had been in a skin what there. I feel the 8 minutes yede voter serene. Now let me give you the political twist. Rock City is owned by Brian Echampo. Ubien in Brian Echampo, so MPP ni Mapan. MPP ni, he owns Rock City. We all know the owner of Voter Serene. It belongs to the Sky Group. Voter Serene belongs to the Sky Group, Sky FM, Sky's construction. Ubien in the political affiliation.
Okay.
We are making this point because and yet the first and Voter Serene. Yeah, budget post parliament first, post budget conference, you call voter serene as parliament. Intimidate as MPP, and your voter serene you call high. It is the principle as speaker the by 2 years after or 2 years ago. So so you tighten your belt. The members of parliament, luxury be brain mountains, so I conference. This was the principle stand by Speaker Babin. And you say the same speaker is saying a decision to caution him or to draw his attention say cost na all Canada so whole Ghana is still broke. In say na all Canada I feel the will feel we think say his double standards no is very, very worrying. And I'm being mild because or a leader and he especially in the court at that level. But my friend say also unrespected decision. Said he respected him, although we disagreed with him at the time. He was the Speaker of Parliament and we usually took him as Speaker to cancel that program. We thought that he had drawn attention to that principle stance that we took here 2 years ago.
Okay. Honorable Medal Asianope, Asante Mamintio, based on what you have heard.
Well, whatever say Omboko Munku, majority nako. Sika ini ho sika ho the no makwa de akọ voter serene akwa issue. But
based on what he's saying, was it right?
Babin.
Yes, because or say 2 years ago.
For me, consistency should have prevailed. Say moka 2 years ago sika ni wa. This time I must castle
sika no grad the west.
Sika no had any ho. But anyone the one with the muzzle at this canaba. I'm a mako away minority na anko. I'm a majority na anko. Nipa 183, 188 na anko.
186.
188 na anko. No long run. Sika he say se won budget ya. O man say hotel dey mun say buku ya buku. Uko wanko.
Oh yeah, your reservation ye buku.
Well.
Yeah,
na me make say yen papa na oba ho me say mp from yes nyesa na me no.
And some baby be at 276 and Anipa 400. But say na buy until you pay for.
Oh, okay.
Near those who did check it.
Yet one na ye etua side we. Ni say moko manku one side are benefiting. On my media hompo am fanyo sa ka say me na with regards to kasem fence corruption dear no. Emma we work say some MPs be cry no life after politics ni ade na are wo pa. On my tie your at your memo omo to mo pa mo ye adwuma mo to mpa o mempa politicians. A teacher for year o ma adwuma. A soldier for year o ma adwuma. Nurses for year adwuma. Doctors year adwuma. Se bi o sika ye de mambo su mi nyina ne niam adwuma mu nyina no. Se 4 years or 8 years you want me anye savings. Now work opposition I say
what free sunti you come back to ground zero. It boils down to how you manage your resources. Because you can't keep on problem teacher for any sebi omo akatuampo enru this kind of minimum wage omo survival. So and then say me say colonizada mo the plan B ba say and if omo to committee be 7% MPs no mo so tua when he say sika omo jeje senate jebi so that who ko ahomje ma so be wisu eya dia boni bia nu eno bibi ko won say senate dia no eya aye ntimi for eya and an MP de won timi nyebi na mo ma ho ntoye ntimi de corruption say ma work say you your MP and I say your minister wherever obi be ofie obekọ obeja na kwansa anema no sanema we nkwa na my corrupt na my politicians have their own ways of making money at all these ntimi de American open say corruption no e ade e how man no how man no.
Let's nip it in the back.
Yes, yen na yam wa. Yes, how my be can say ya o na the benefit no. It may be a benefit.
All right, when we return we'll hear a response from Honorable Eric Afo, NDC MP from Few West on this boycott. Today my guest is lawyer George Opon, a leading member of the New Patriotic Party, the communication team, and then Asante Kotoko, who is also a member of the National Democratic Congress. And I don't pay, they are my guests. For now, Zinko De Maria is here. Now, or the tip off, Jumediano Ebre. I want no Sompa on meeting Mochi. Okay.
Me pass me bond say ever qualify. You say you want the action conference I Piomuka. I cover technical director. Swapa. And me worry she say a chart this time no yeah these are small countries, you know, so called small countries in your boss and which but me will say the Antinia Afcon, the Antinia Chan, the GFE who is a duty to Ghanaian say you qualify Aqua welcome. So no sikano e ade da man for kuma super America, Canada and Mexico. So as a Canadian Parliamentary say you let me qualify me Aqua welcome. Yes, say because say yeah my young kwansu say young kasa and can see you be I fa various stable and I have bobo match. You know, to me security first. I hope we share since see on my cafe and start to think one then normalizing Yama so that a bit better than before. Some of us, like me, I took the advantage to work on my voice. We didn't start well in the first round, and then me 3-4 less ever. So I took that advantage to work on them for the adaptation. When you are working with human beings, you don't expect knowledge to be the same, recovery to be the same, adaptation to be the same. In too many, then you need time to work on them until they all accept and then acquire what you wanted to do. So we took that advantage to work on them and then wait for the outcome. I'm break you only say. On the class side, advantage you will say go week in, week out. Coach in your training the whole week. Hurricane Monoco, the belly and Moco national team, and yet the same thing, no Korea 2 days training, no much, 3 days training, but attitude on the field of play when they wear the national team jersey. So many mental, so many have been just because of some national team, they are putting things in place. Now, we will have a player at after warming bench in Europe, but when you're first starter, it will blast stars.
Enche biana enene be so enene be so me na ntie se yenua nana ya fempon kukumu mahina watwam nana poli eko nso atere ema biti eko boye na yenka bi hyemu ase yenua be ma bi a wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ multimedia ne yɛfrɛ no waras kyerɛ sɛ poli ɛkɔ nsuatɛ no V-base ana ɔkɔgoroyɛ a ɛnam so ma no ɛhyia ne nkwanhyia wuo wɔse wɔayɛ nhwehwɛmu nti yɛso yɛgyina sɛ poli ɛyɛ nnua pɛkɔpɛ poli yɛ abusua pɛkɔpɛ poli ɛnsa kora wɔnim nom na mpo sɛ wɔwunu sɛ ntampese nti baabi a waras ɛnya ne nhwehwɛmu fie no yɛfrɛ no nano abosom ɛna na apaapono ɛna kwasu a ɛna ofiri ɛna tano ensu a atwa akona abusua ho ahyia nyina no sɛ yɛhyɛ waras ɛna kakra baabi oyɛ ne nhwehwɛmu yɛgu saa fra bosom sɛ anim kwasia wɔde gu yɛ nua no abra sɛbe ensampo nim nom no hunu wi nom no waras mekyire mu wa mekyire mu a yɛ ma ne na nya saa nano abosom ɛne ne begi
Yɛde akyɛwpa ɛma Asante Kene Asante Kotoko abusua ɛne abusua wɔ nsuatere ɛne Asante saa akɔ na transport akɔ nsuatreman X ɛne Asante Kotoko nti yɛbɛhwɛ akyire a ɛberɛ a na nsuatreman nama Premier League mu na sɛ Asante Kotoko bakɔ ha na sɛ ɔbɛbɔ bɔɔl a ɔyusu nsuatreman facilities and the DA training, and our pack and the DA training, and some of our covered the away the Kobo. The details are the Crown President, a Kotoko fan. And the more pine and more every year training was. Yet was being, the back was compressed on the park and animal. One would be a Tonsa baby or Tonsa fair, Umasia Asante Kotoko. Any Mr. sorry, that very powerful. Look at every boy. If we have important supporters, name players, no, team that we begin. Yɛde akyɛwpa ɛma Asante Kene Asante Kotoko abusua ɛne abusua na wahwɛ nipa sɛ ɛnam nhyia kyerɛ so na ɔmo ba sɛbi wafiri mu na ɛnyɛ yɛ pɛ sɛ nhyia kyerɛ anaasɛ football fan bi bɛfiri mu
Media houses, new journalists did an exceptional job in trying to like bring the sports owners into the limelight, like making other people see it. I don't know if I can find a video of myself running them when I was in private college. I don't know if there's a video, but there's somebody probably took a video on their phone, but I can't find none on YouTube. I don't think anybody was there to cover it. So that's a big thing that now we are able to like see stuff like that on YouTube. Or you guys did your thing covering some athletes, and that was really nice to see.
Manage pa bisene maninda bisene agwana ndafo na nyankuko abo amena spazonas metimedi nku manage pa ega show mze na mission yo mo show mu bi na ko show mo na mu me ye show di pizarro state one ni fiscal alumni mistress fifa madam queen na mission pa do mo show mu bi na ko show mo na pese also SHS ya me pese me ye ko manim tertiary me pese we dey discuss no me dine mu magana e wo discuss no
Energy Metmaka is so massive. Now, Mepa Kuya Adam, headmistress, as a Kessiapa, me HOD, Mr. Jesse Peter Simon, why Ajuma Adea Maya, support the Bible and encouragement award in Maya, and why the athlete from Muya, it wasn't easy. And now, me catch rail. Yes, I tell Juma last year after sports owners, and I catch you say, yeah, purpose a babbage for a third time. Yaminta de abom and no be interview on me catch on say kafa manamo for agency I got question na e wo dem I will say school bet my higher yas my mama more because be 30 to 40 guys asa me kan san e enti na maka so far
Rodri started. Is he ahead of where you expected him to be at this stage?
The fans must to know that they are not only the only ones that are excited. They have to know it. Yeah, it's a 5 month and a half, 6 months.